Hi guys, today we are going to know what is VisualForce. So what is VisualForce? It's a native language of Salesforce used to create custom user interface in Salesforce Lightning platform. Okay, it's normally referred as VF page or page. It is identified by unique URL within an org. So like this, first instance name goes and then apex and then VF page name. So example is this, like this is the instance name and this one is the keyword and this is the page name. So VisualForce page consists of two components. First one is markup and next one is controller. So markup consists of tag based elements like XML and HTML. So it consists of VisualForce tags. So what are those tags? So tags provided by Salesforce to build UI, referred as standard components or elements. Okay. So these are the tags: apex page, page block section. We'll know this in detail in the upcoming videos. Okay. So next one is consists of scripting elements also like HTML, JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery, Node.js, etc. So like this HTML text is like this and we write XML language like this. These both are tag based languages, and this consists of VisualForce controller also. So VisualForce controller means VF page could refer an action module through which defined action can be performed on the site when user interacts with page elements. So okay, when user wants to interact, VF page could refer an action module. So this is done using VisualForce controller. There are three types of controllers. So standard controller, standard list controller and controller, and next one is extensions. So why do we need F-page, VF page? To override the functionality such as view, edit in standard page layout, and to include custom sidebar components and to create custom UI. So and to execute VF page using tabs, custom buttons on standard page. So how does VF page look like? So similar to the coding of HTML and XML, it's also a tag based language. So HTML looks like this. So body is included between these two tags and headings are included in between the body. Okay. Next one is VisualForce looks like this. So apex page and then page block is included inside the page and the page info is included inside the page block. So how to create rules to create the VF page? There are some rules to create VF page. So every page should start with the tag apex:page and then end by /apex:page. This one is mandatory. So like this, and inside we can place the headings or page blocks whatever we want. Okay. So where apex is the namespace and page is the component name. So VF page tags has attributes to define the properties for the tag. So like this, attributes are like this: ID, controller, show header. We'll know about this in the upcoming videos. These are very important. So like this, page block title is equal to employee. So next rule is every open tag must be closed by new closed tag with / or closed within the same tag if it doesn't have any content. So like this. So first apex page has to be closed by then apex:page, and between those apex page block is included. No? So this must be closed before the page component. Okay, and if here you see this, in this apex output text there is no text, so we have to close within the same tag. Okay, next one is the inner tag must be closed first. Means here you look this, here first page block has to be closed and then page has to be closed. Okay, so next one is HTML can be used directly within VF page. So like this, like headings are used now. This is the HTML, and JavaScript and CSS can be embedded. So like this we can use styling, CSS codings, JavaScript code like this. So next one is it is saved with file extension .vfp. Okay, next one is it can interact with 3 types of controllers. We can see these controllers in the upcoming videos. Okay, we'll know this in detail. So moving on, ways to create the VF page. So we'll see one by one in the real-time scenario. I'll show you how to create. Okay, first we'll go to standard navigation. Okay, setup, build, develop, lightning components, VisualForce pages. Let's see this. Setup, and this one. Develop, VisualForce components. So new component. Lightning components and VisualForce pages. Okay. Here in this you can directly create VisualForce pages using setup. Okay, we'll create new page now. Standard navigation. So let's create new page. We'll give the page name as my first page. Okay, so no special characters are included and no space should be given while giving the label and name. So available for lightning communities. Okay, see here page is created now. We can change this is page. Okay, we can create the content whatever we want. Okay, let's save this. Let's preview. Okay, see like this page is created. So next way is using URL. How we create the VF page using URL? For this we have to enable development mode for the user. Okay, let's go for this. Setup, users, let's edit this one. Have to check this development mode. Okay, like this we have to check this. Okay, save. So development mode is checked for this user. Next we'll create a using URL. We'll create a VF page. Okay. How to create a page using URL? See, like this, we have to give the page name, the URL. Okay, let's go for this. Okay, see, like this. So it will show the error, page does not exist. Then we can create page. See, like this, this is your new page. So this one is this is the place where we can edit page info. Okay, first the page is created like this, and we can remove this. So we can edit the page info whatever we want, like this, and then we can save this. See, like this. So I preferably like this way of creating a VF page, because I can change the whatever we want. I can include and I can exclude, I can preview both ways. Okay, so let's move on. So okay, next one is using developer console. So how to create using developer console? Let's see. Okay, from your name below, click on developer console. It will open. Okay, next one is so we can create VF page such this. Okay, new VisualForce page. So let's create a new page using developer console. So like this page is created, so we can include whichever we want. So I am including some heading. Okay, okay, let's save this first. Okay, we can preview this. So like this, see. Okay, next way is Eclipse. So this is one type of IDE available to create the VF page. So as of now it's not needed, we can see this in upcoming videos. Okay, next one is Salesforce Dx. It's a type of CLI, command line interface, used to create Salesforce apps including VisualForce. So this one we'll see, okay, not now, the upcoming videos. Okay, next one is Metadata Services. So what are the Metadata Services? So these are the inbuilt API of Salesforce. Use it to create XML type files, to create and deploy custom objects, fields, pages, etc. Okay. So how to execute the VF page? See, like this, each page is accessible by unique URL. See, like this, just now we created this page now. In this one, Apex is the keyword and hello world is the page name, and this one is instance name or server name. So let's see how to open the pages already created. Okay, file and then open. So select pages. See, like this, already 3 pages are created. Let's click on the which page you want to open. See, like this, it's open. You can change whatever you want, or let it be. Okay, these are the VisualForce basics today which we learned. Next we'll move on to the interesting topics like page block, components, attributes. What are the attributes we can create using pages, you can use in the pages. Okay, let's see them in the next video. Okay, I'm trying to give my knowledge, so excuse me if I have any mistakes. So please support me and see you in the next video. Thank you.